This is the one man's dream, the sort of the story of Walt Disney and his dream of having part little reproduction of Main Street USA in Disneyland from 1954, and finally, as I call it, Star Wars Land, but Galaxy's Edge. Here are some of the concept models from that.
Yes, I am. How can I help you?
Just finished walking through the one man's dream and also watching the film. It's about 20 minutes long. Now we're in between rain showers. I think I'm going to walk around a little bit, maybe go to some of the shops down on Sunset. Looking like toward 5 or 6 this evening, I'll actually maybe get to ride Rise of the Resistance. So here's yet another classic Disney World attraction that's been impacted by the pandemic and closed. The Beauty and the Beast show here at Hollywood Studios has long been one of the highlight attractions of the park, but unfortunately it is closed right now. And this is right down Sunset, actually just not far from where you enter Fantasmic, just here near the base of the Hollywood Tower Hotel. So going for a little lunch, and I opted for this funnel cake with soft serve. It's a cookies and cream funnel cake. You can get that at the Epic Eats right here by Echo Lake. So that funnel cake was absolutely an impulse decision. But lunch is, all the places for lunch are currently swamped right now. So that was like the quickest thing I could get. And I kind of wanted something sweet. But soft serve on a funnel cake is absolutely a pretty cool concept. Now I'm in line for the Mickie and Minnie's Vacation Fun short. I'm gonna watch it. And then probably we'll go over from there and do Muppet Vision. And then after that, maybe come back around and do Mickie and Minnie's Runaway Railway, finally. Just did Muppet Vision. Now I'm gonna head back around over to Toy Story Land. I think I'll go ahead and get in line for Slinky Dog Dash. It says about a 30 to 40 minute wait, so I think I can do that now. Change of plan. I'm actually gonna, I was walking my Mickie and Minnie's, and it's only about a 30 minute wait, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this now. Then we'll go to Toy Story Land.
Inside the train cars. And be sure to keep an eye on the railway projects. Okay.
right. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Come down! Da, 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 da.
Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park, and thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now.
Just got off Slinky Dog Dash, and that was awesome. I loved it. Definitely, that and Mickey and Minnie's have been the favorite rides that I've ridden today. Now, just as I was boarding Slinky Dog, I got the notification that my boarding group is up for Rise of the Resistance. So now I'm headed over to Star Wars Rise of the Resistance to try that out. So let's get on it.
Intel Officer Ingram to Comms 2 for Overhouse briefing.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pakara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pakara base secret.
I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Doors opening now.
No need. Deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiate pre-flight sequence on Deck 3 for Picard.
Yes, Sensor.
Review.
Thank you, Nina. Black Leader, are you and your team ready? I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Vakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way.
Reload! Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing.
Come on, you will disembark immediately and proceed down the hall on your right for interrogation. Immediately does mean now, so get out over here.
Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, go to the prison.
like these two droids anyway.
Detachment to level T. Take cover, recruits! If anyone's packing a blaster, now's a good time. Ah! The escape pods just below us! Wait, why are you going up? I said down! Up is bad! Up is real bad!
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Stop! The prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Personnel, abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. This is sort of the battle.
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Okay, you're clear.
Your escape pods came in a little off target.
Oh, you guys, Rise of the Resistance was incredible. Star Wars fan or not, if you come here, make sure that you try to get into that virtual queue. Again, do it at 7 a.m. on the day that you're coming to Hollywood Studios, or you can have another shot like I did at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I got lucky and got in the virtual queue at that time. From the time I entered the standby queue, and they actually scanned my magic band showing that I was in the virtual queue, it took about 27 minutes before I actually entered the attraction. Rise of the Resistance is like nothing I've ever experienced before at a theme park. It's just next level ride. Disney is, of course, well known for the way that they do rides and attractions at their park, and Rise of the Resistance is no exception. So glad I was able to experience that today. Just took one more last ride on Mickie and Minnie's Runaway Railway, because that's also a fantastic ride. Both the rides utilize similar technology, which is interesting. So that's going to do it for our day here at Hollywood Studios. We're halfway through this Disney trip, halfway through these vlogs. Thank you so much for watching. Tomorrow we're going to be at Epcot, so we're going to go around the world at Epcot. So I hope you'll subscribe down below and come back and check those videos out. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you on tomorrow's adventure from Epcot.
They think they take them back to the hotel. I swear that's what they said online.